Hello everyone, in this video I'll be going through the step-by-step instruction on how to use Screenomatic to make your videos. So to do that, first you need to click on Screenomatic icon. You can find it over here or here, so click on it. So the Screenomatic windows will appear. Your next step is to click on record button. So once you click on record button, you will have a couple of options over here. So here you can see there is max time. So in max time you have to click none so that you can stop whenever you want. The next would be screen size. Make sure it is always full screen so that when you upload it on YouTube, your video resolution will be 1080p. Narration, make sure the green color fills the bar. It means that your voice is being recorded properly or your microphone is working properly. If not, please check it. The computer audio, it should be you have to choose no, because we don't want any kind of noise or sound of the computer coming in our videos. Next, after you're done with all your settings, you can click on record button. Once you hit the record button, there will be countdown, and after go, the video will be recorded. So right now it says recording. Let's say I want to pause it in between. So I'll hit the pause button, and if I want to redo it over, I'll hit the delete button and start over. If I want to continue, I'll again hit this record button, and after this countdown it will start again where I left. After that, if you are done with the video, just click on the pause button, and then you have to click on done. So once you click on done, the video will appear how your video was. You can play it and see if there is any problem, then you can do it again. So after you are satisfied that your video is good enough, so next step would be uploading it on YouTube. So click on this button, upload to YouTube. Here, make sure your account is logged in to YouTube. The title, you can change it whatever the title you require. Let's say for me is the privacy. You can choose either private or public. The category should be education. The cursor, make sure it is you always choose highlight cursor, because we want the person to see where the cursor is moving. The quality should be always higher. After you're done with this setting, click on publish. So it will be published on YouTube. Since I don't want it, I'll hit the stop button. So after done with this, your video will be uploaded on YouTube. You can go back to your YouTube and check for the video in your channel. So this is all you have to do to make videos using Screenomatic. I hope it helped. Thank you.